Hi friends, this video is from interview.com, a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the is API. In Jquery, the isSelector method checks the current selection against an expression. It will return true or false whether it satisfies the expression or not. If at least one element of the selection fits the given selector, it will return true or false based on the expression or the selector that you're given. If no element fits or the selector is not valid, then the response will be false. The Jquery's is method checks for any matching elements. So the syntax is element is selector. Let me show you an example, then you can understand. Then I'll show you a live demo. Here I have a form, and form contains a paragraph, and paragraph within the paragraph I have a input box. I have a paragraph, form, paragraph, and input. Okay, here in the jQuery code, the scenario is I want to verify who is the parent for this input element, whether the paragraph or the form. That's what I'm trying to use here in jQuery. I'm trying to give here. So the parent for input type is form. I'm just using this is API. I'm just checking whether this parent is the input parent is form. Is it true or false? That's what I'm trying to ask here. It will return false because the input's parent is paragraph, not the form. So it will return false here. I'm going to print it in the web page. Again, I'm asking whether the paragraph is the parent for this input type. It will return true. I want to repeat. Is the paragraph parent for this input? That's what I'm using this code and trying to find out. It will return true because paragraph is the parent for input. Let me show you the demo. So here we have username password. So I'm just going to click on this button. It's going to give me, it's going to return false for the first one, and the second one it's going to return the true. So what we have done here is I'm just asking whether the form is parent for input. It returned false here. Okay, it is returning false. Again, in the second statement, I'm asking whether the paragraph is parent for input. It returned true. Okay, this is how you can use the is API in jQuery. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.